So I'm helping an agent to troubleshoot mix or match and a discount that is buy two for $3.45. And so I have some pictures that are supposed to help us troubleshoot, and we're just going to go ahead and do this on the video to help. Basically, the conditions of a discount, let me go ahead and just set this thing up to properly show how it works. All right, so I have everything deactivated. I have no active discounts, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do one from scratch. And we're gonna do buy two, right, for $3.45. Oh, shouldn't have done that. All right, let's try again. Buy two for $3.45. We can even put a period in there. Where's the period? There's the period. All right, and we'll make this discount to be always like this, right? And the amount is gonna be, so this is where you have to do a little bit of math, to figure out how much the discount needs to be for it to come up to be $3.45. But let's say I'm discounting $1, right? The math will need to be adjusted. So this is the screen that I don't have on my pictures, where I'm just going to tell you how it needs to be set up. It has to be on a mix, okay? Because if it's on a match, then say you're scanning this one and that one, discount won't trigger unless you scan both twice this one, well, 3 times this one and 3 times that one, or 3 times that one. So if you want a discount to work on different SKUs, you have to use a mix. Okay, and then you have to say trigger on every 3 items here. So it has to be on the mix, and it has to be trigger on every 3 items, like that. All right, now here, how do you troubleshoot that these items are selected? Well, grab these items. In my case, I'm just gonna grab this item here because I have my water handy, and then just here in the selection, go ahead and do this search and then scan this barcode here. Okay, and it will search for you, and it will tell you if you have this item or not. Like, I don't have it. See, let me search. There, I don't have this item, not found. Okay, so what you want to see when you scan like this is that an item comes up and it's selected. Let me give you an example of that. I'm just going to grab a couple of items and see which ones I have in this inventory. So here's one. So here's my Gatorade, right? So see how it's not selected. So that means this item is not participating as discount. I want to make sure that it's selected like this, my Gatorade. All right, that's one. But then it's just going to tell me, this page right here will tell me a list of items that I have selected. And you can see that I only have one. Let me go ahead and save this, and I'm going to go back and just add a couple more items to it. So here's my, actually we didn't do buy 2. Okay, so let me change that. Why did I think buy 3? Apparently I can't make videos and think at the same time. So we're going to change this to 2, like that. All right, and so I have my Gatorade this time, right? And it's going to find this item, and it's going to tell me that it's selected. And then I'm going to scan this item, okay? And it's going to scan it, and it's going to tell me that this barcode is not found. So I don't even have this item in my inventory. How about this item? There it is. So this item is not selected, so let's go ahead and select this item. So now both of these items are selected, right? I have these 2 items, and this is an odd choice of items, but these are just the only ones that I have. And both of them will get a discount that is $1 off when I scan them. And my discount is active. And so right now it's working properly. And if I go to my register app, I'll scan this guy. It's going to ask me to do age verification. We can do that like that. Skip loyalty for now. And then we can do this guy. And there's the discount that you can see that it triggered, right? So maybe some other discounts, but this one did, like buy 2 for $3.45. There it is. There's the discount. And Now, let me show you how it wouldn't work if it were set up as a match, for example. I'm going to go to my Mix or Match app here, and I'm going to go ahead and edit this item, discount here. And I don't need to change anything on this page, but here I'm going to put it on a match like this, right? And hit save and not change anything here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and save this part. And now it's a match. And so to get a discount, let me go ahead and delete these items from the register like this. All right, now if I scan both of these like that, the discount isn't going to come. You get this loyalty offer, but that's not it, right? That's not the discount. And why did it not come? Well, because they didn't match, right? So we got one item and the other item, but if I scan another grizzly, the discount will trigger. There it is, buy 2 for $3.45. And so if your customer if your merchant has this as a match, that could be another reason why the discount is not triggering. So 2 things you can check for. Go into the this next page, this one. Make sure that you're on the mix. Make sure that you're triggered on every 2 items. And then on this page, scan the items that you sent me the picture of and make sure that these items are selected, like I showed you with mine, right? So here's an example of that. You can scan this item and it'll show you where it is, and it'll, more importantly, show you whether this item is participating in this discount. I hope this helps. Let me know.